Hello guys, I'm Chris and I'm here to review a new mask for my project in World of Warcraft. This new mask came from a guy known as the Fear Father. When the first one came from a studio, Immortal Masks, this here is made by a guy by himself in his workshop, and when Immortal is several artists working together around the different masks they are creating. The mask came in a simple box, folded in a plastic bag like this. I keep the plastic bag in order to protect the mask when I store it, and this is how it looks like. It looks quite apart for an orc from World of Warcraft. We have what we need. The big jaw there, big teeth, the main look, the whole shape. It looks like could be an orc from World of Warcraft. For the tail, it was all costume made. I asked to have teeth without any decoration because on his pages we can see that there is like a ring around this teeth there, or perhaps this one, around one of the teeth there, and I wanted to have something without any fake jewelry there. I wanted it to be just naked by itself. Any tattoos or anything, no, nothing like that. So I went for that, and I asked also a paint job there, a color for the skin that would match my Immortal Mask Ogre. This mask came without any head, so I had to order one on eBay, and it's not as long as some you can find, but it's still at the beginning of the chest and a longer neck, so it was quite a good choice for a store, something like that. We can notice that the teeth are a bit bendy, see? So you won't be able to stab anyone with that. This mask, as it represents a big amount of silicone, weight a bit, but it's not something that you will feel when you have it on your head. You won't feel it that much. And when you want to wear a mask like this, when you have long hair like me, I recommend this. I tried once without anything to hold my hair, and whew, that wasn't a good idea. Now that my mask is out, well, the head is out of the mask actually, well, I'll be able to slide in it. In order to do so, I would recommend you to have both ends inside there, your palm facing each other, and stretch gently the mask. Yeah. In this mask you can see quite well because of the opening around the eye. It's not too much of a problem, I just see a bit there, the eyebrow, and it's easy to look at the side. And yes, it's not bad for that part there. And also not so bad to breathe, there is holes there. The holes are aligned, a bit aligned with my nose. The tip of my nose is right there, so you have the holes there. Of course, you'll have to put some makeup around the eye there, perhaps on the nose as well. You can breathe very well through the mouth there. Yeah, breathe in with the nose and breathe out with the mouth. It's the best way in order to avoid to breathe out through your nose and breathe out through your eyes as well. If I breathe out with my nose, it just came also up around the eye and not only through the nostril there and to the mouth. So breathe in and breathe out. Well, you can also hear quite well with the holes there. There's two holes there. They're not exactly aligned with my ear holes. My ear holes are there, and there is about 1 or 2 centimeter difference where the holes here have been placed. Once again, in order to hide everything, think about the makeup here. Could be nice and handy. It moves quite well, and I like the chunky their traps. I do think that most of the weight came from those big traps. See, all the traps move. For a mask like this, once again, I would recommend to have no beard like I have there, especially with the big jaw, which is already coming forward a lot. And I recommend to have a clean beard or something very, very thin. And of course, if you have long hair like I have, it could be bothering as well. You have to fix it correctly in order to avoid any problem on the shape. Because here, see, I have the elastic there. There is a little boss. I love the look I have here with that mask, and I do think it will fit correctly in my Warcraft project, and that this orc could be ready for war in some times, I hope. And as I do plan to have several orcs in the future for shootings and for videos, well, this will come along with the ogre that came from Immortal Masks. Ooh. It was art in there. And you got here the two masks, the one from the Theofather there, and the one from Immortal Masks. If the two aren't exactly the same color, the same shape, I think both could suit quite well for my project in the world of Warcraft. Even if there is different shades of green, well, we know that orcs doesn't all have the same shades of skin, in fact, so, well, I don't see the problem there. Both could be good to be fierce warrior of the Horde, and just let me finish the costumes, the armors, and they'll be ready to face the Alliance. I don't know if you can see clearly on the mask all the details for the skin and different texture, or perhaps there, the veins all around it. You see, for the color it depends also on the light, depending on which side the mask is, it changes the color a bit. The overall shape and all the details there on this mask make it a good candidate for my project in World of Warcraft. If you want to know more about the fan film, the props making, the costume, the set, it's simple. Follow me on social media. It could be Facebook, Instagram, DeviantArt. Here, of course, on YouTube. So you pick, you choose, and that way we keep in touch. And until next time, guys, I wish you a great day. See you.